Hello, today I will just show you how to hide and seek your folders and files to just make your Windows 10 or your operation system more secure from others. So let's do it. So you actually want to hide your things, hide your images, hide your games, hide anything you want to just stay safe in your PC and no one could just touch your privacy from these. But if he was too technical, he could find it and see what you are doing. So yeah, if you just has some nightmare or someone who just come to your PC and and he is too technical, and if you just did this process, this will never work. So make sure your neighbors or someone who are just looking to your privacy things, you will have to make sure he don't know much about this. So yeah, he shouldn't know about this video, because in this video I will just show you how to do that, and this will be a lot interesting. If there's success, you can just hide some passwords, because today we are just singing in a lot of websites in the internet, and yeah, so there's a lot of passwords, and yeah, I just suggest to make a different passwords to just make sure you are safe from hackers, because hackers, if just got one of your passwords and you are using the similar password in all other websites, they can just hack all your accounts in all these websites. So just make different passwords. But now there's another problem, how to just save these passwords. I think there's some passwords managers, but it's worth money. And Windows 10, if you just have Windows 10, I will just show you a trick to make it private passwords without any costs. Now let's see. For example, I'm just gonna make a folder and name it my passwords, for example, and in the same time I will make this my passwords. Okay, so let's say in these you just hide the same thing like this. So you just put the text file here in the passwords folder, and yeah, you can just hide it. Once you just hide this, the same thing happen here. You can't access this one. But what about this? I think the same thing happened too. Okay, let's try this. So how to hide the folder or the text file? Anyways, it's up to you. If you want to hide the folder, hide the folder. If you want to hide the text file, yeah, text document, just hide the text document. If you want to hide an image, of course you can do too. So yeah, let's bring that for our example. So you just go to the properties, and yeah, in general, make sure you are in general, click hidden, and that's it. Apply. Okay, it's gone, but don't worry, we will just get it back later. So let's just try the same thing. So it happens too here and here also. So yeah, where is the image, where's the text file, where's the folder? It's all gone, but not forever, because I will just show you how to seek it again, because you just need, if you want to hide it, of course you will need it again. So you just go here to the file explorer and go to this PC or whatever. Anyways, you just click here in views, and yeah, you just have to just check this box, says hidden items. Now let's try this. Okay, we did that. Now do you see, this is our hidden items we just had hidden before. Now you could see it's now hidden when you just see the opacity is low and it's not so clear. This means it's already hidden. And yeah, you don't have to, you just have to make sure you just back to here and click view and hide this again, because if someone saw it, we'll just go to it, and now we will just hide it like that. And yeah, it's hidden. That's awesome. And now let's just get it back to continue what we was doing. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that again. You can just choose all that together and go to properties and make it non-hidden again and click apply. If you just choosing multiple files and folders, you will just have to have these options. So yeah, choose the first option to apply changes to the selected items, subfolders and files, so it will happen to all the things. And this is for items only, so let's just try it. I think it's the same thing, and yeah, it's the same thing. So whatever you want, hide it or show it, it's all for your privacy and it's all yours. So yeah, stay safe and hopefully you will like this video. Just give me a like if you just like this video, and tell me what other problems do you have in the Windows 10, because we have Windows 10 here and you have me here, so I could help you in anything you want. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. This will be a lot interesting and fun, I promise. I will see you in the next video, my friend. Clicking the subscribe button will help.